Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Anderson Paak, Bruno Mars here, with a cool song called Fly As Me. So before I go on with this tutorial, I will say that this one is a very basic variation of this song here. There's a lot of chords like there normally is with this group. So yeah, this one is a very simple way of handling this song here. So I will give you the different parts here, the verse, the pre-chorus and the chorus, and it's very playable. So it's up to you to, if you're gonna go more in depth here, you could, since this is a whole group here and they're a very funky style and this is sometimes very challenging here. But I will give you this very easy way of playing this song here. So we'll start here with no capo here for the song, and we have 5 chords. No, actually just 4 chords here to handle. So let's start first with a chord that is called E7 sus2. It's much easier to play than say. That's up here. So you need to bar the 7th fret here from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And then you just add your 9th fret here on the D string. So if you want, you can even incorporate the open E string here. Play all strings. Okay, so that's the E7. I will call that the E, so it will be much easier to say here. So that's the E7. Then we have this A minor 7. You will grab it up here on the 5th fret. You bar all strings here on 5th fret. And you just add the 7th here on the A string. So that's A minor 7. Then we have G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then we have the B minor 7. So you bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down, and the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. Yeah, 4 chords only instead of perhaps 15 or somewhat like that. Yeah. So we have this intro going on here, and that is also used through the verse here and even the chorus if you want. So very usable, this one, for this song. It goes like this. All right, so that is open E string in the bass, 3rd E string, open A, 1st A, 2nd A, open D, 1st D, 2nd D, 2nd D again, open D, 2nd D, and open D. So and it goes in this tempo. Sorry, I stuck there on a wrong string there, but that is the tempo. And after that, you just play this E chord here. All right. And on the next round, you play the same notes there. And after that comes the A minor 7 chord. All right. So that will work as the intro here and also with the verse. And we will look at the strumming pattern here, since when you play this chord after these notes here, you can continue strumming here. You could just go one down and just let it ring out, but I would prefer to actually play the strumming here to have more, more sound to it, you can say. So the strumming that will work for this entire song here will be down, 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 up. So if we look at this E chord here with down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. And the first 2 downs I prefer to play on the bass strings. and then next down, down, up on the middle and top strings. Like that. So with this intro here. So it will be 3 strumming rounds if you choose to strum, and then go again for another melody here, and then strum the next chord, which is the A minor 7. So that will be the intro here. So 1 round of that, and then comes the verse here. So for the verse, you will play the melody here for 2 rounds, 2 full rounds. But instead of switching to this A minor 7, you will play the E minor 7 through the entire song here. So yeah, through the entire verse here, I would say. So play the E7 chord here, and you will do that for 2 rounds. Or if you choose to not play this melody here, you can skip that. You can just strum on the E minor 7 through the entire verse, and that will be for 16 rounds. So that is 1 strumming pattern. Do that for 16 rounds, and you cover these 2 rounds of the melody here with the strumming. So 2 rounds of melody or 16 rounds of strumming here for the verse. So that will be the verse part, and then comes the pre-chorus part here. So the pre-chorus also has a melody here. It sounds like this. And then comes. Okay. So after the first notes here, you're gonna start to strum the G chord 3 times. And then comes the next melody part, and then you're gonna start to strum the A minor 7 chord 3 times. So the melody will be here. Start on the G string, on the 2nd fret G string 3 times. Then open G, then 4th D, and open G. And right after that, you grab the G chord 3 times with the same strumming, and then you go for the next melody, and that is. So that melody will be started in the same way, 3 times on the 2nd fret G string. Then open G, then 2nd D, and open A. And then you start to play the A minor 7 chord here, 3 rounds. All right. So if you see this melody here, from the melody to G and the melody to A minor, that will be 1 round. And the pre-chorus is about 2 rounds of this. So 2 rounds of the G to A minor shift here with the melody here. You can do that, or you can just choose to strum through the entire pre-chorus. And if you do that, you're gonna strum A minor for 1 round and G for 3 rounds. So. And then you go back to A minor and strum for 4 rounds. So this A minor 1, G3, A minor 4, that is 1 round of chord progression here. So you're gonna play that for 2 rounds as well. So 2 rounds of the melody plus chord strumming after each melody, or with just strumming 2 rounds of A minor 1 time, G 3 time, and A minor 4 time. I would just say that on the 2nd round, if you choose to just strum on the 2nd round, where you have this final A minor 4 times, you just play 2 times of this A minor on the 2nd round, and then you're gonna end with B minor 7, 3 downs. So the final round I will play and show you and demonstrate for you right now. So let's go for A minor 1 time, G 3 time, A minor 2 times now, and just B minor 3 downs. So it goes like this. Sorry. G, then A minor, B minor 7, 3 downs. And that's the end of the pre-chorus there. And then comes the chorus. So the chorus will be played, you can say, in the exact same way as the verse. So there's actually no change there. You can choose to strum here, or you can choose to play this melody we have in the intro. So guys, these are the different parts of this song here: the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. And we covered those. You will listen in the song here and just put in the different parts into the song and play along. So that pretty much covers this cool song from Bruno Mars and Anderson .Paak, Fly As Me. So yeah, hope this helped, and if it does, please thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you soon. And don't forget guys, play tuned.